put these Christmas lights on my car and just copy everyone with this trend because I think it's cool and I've always wanted to do it. Now I have extra money to do so. So I do have a power inverter right down there hooked up to this. All right, so here's what we got so far. Basically, this side of the car is done besides that little back piece. About 2.5 bundles of that. So I have 3.5 bundles, or twisty ties, you'll see. That's what I mean. 3.5 of that left, which hopefully we can get the top of the car, the hood, and the front, and the other side basically done. I hope I can get it all done with just that one box, but if not, I have another 500 feet, which is kind of overkill just for the back of the car.